I think we have got the best campervan security product that's ever been made. As we know, van crime is on the increase in the UK. There are groups going around targeting contractors' vans, workers' vans, and there are even people out there now stealing motorhomes and campervans, self-built campervans as well. And the reason behind that is because you've done all the hard work, you've bought all the equipment, people can steal it and strip it bare and repurpose your gear in their build. Over the last 20 years, Locks4Vans has been protecting commercial vehicles, and they are an award-winning company that are based in Kent. Now they've come up with a fantastic piece of kit for us self-built campers. This is it, the Habilock from Locks4Vans. It's a traditional deadbolt system with a thumb turn that you can use from inside your van. So I'm going to get my van off the drive and we're going to start fitting this kit to Volker's van. We're going to put it on his barn door, his sliding door and both his cab doors. The piece on the left there, that is the thumb turn mechanism, and on the right this is the business end. This is the bit that locks everything up nice and secure, nice and tight. It is well manufactured, all stainless steel products, components, sorry. It is really well engineered, and I'm just at a loss for word. It's a thing of beauty. So there's a few key points here with this system. It has been designed intentionally for campervan users. You can apply this system to any type of door. You can even fit it to a tailgate. You can have an additional lock on that tailgate. So instead of having one hook lock, you can have two. It's a very versatile system. You contact the guys at Locks4Vans, they will keep you on the straight and narrow. They will keep you and advise the right product for you. So the basic concept behind this lock, it's a high security hook lock that you can operate from inside your vehicle, independently of the system that's already on there. You can open and close it as you like, and if anybody tries your doors, you've got that secondary device in place so nobody can get in from outside. With a simple thumb turn or a pull, you can secure yourself in your vehicle. This system is so simple, I can't believe nobody's developed it before now. It's an absolute game changer. The Habilock system is award winning as well. It's solid, secure, automotive gold award, and this is an industry based award. So even the industry loves it. Can't say better than that, can you? So we're not actually going to show the installation because the company does recommend that you use an approved automotive locksmith. This is not for the faint-hearted. You're going to chop big holes in the side of your vehicle. You want to make sure that's right. This product has never been fitted on a Crafty. So there's another thing. We are fitting it and we are feeding back to Locks4Vans any issues we find and any minor adjustments that need to be made to the installation kit. We've found a couple already while we've been looking at it, but this is a kit that is adaptable for multiple vehicles, so you are going to find little tweaks like that. So here we go, let's get into it. One cab lock fitted. Look at that. How good is that? Keeps you dust free and grime free on your long journeys. Every detail thought of. Comes with high security keys as well, unique to every set of door lock. These are uniquely matched, so every door lock, one key. How good is that? One pull lock fitted. And the barn doors is a really nice setup. Again, with the captive cover. And up there we have the thumb twist. That allows you to lock the door in bed. If you have to get out in a hurry, you can operate your door lock in as normal, but to operate the deadlock, you just twist that, and that's it. Job done. You're out. Right, that's us finished. We've got the van off the drive, and we're going to show you around it. So, Volker comes to our camp out. He's a moderator in my, not mine, our Facebook group, the Crafty Blinder Van Built. You may have met him. You've probably seen him in this video, so I don't know why I'm introducing him. But this is his van. So 2016 Crafty?
2014.
2014 Crafty. So this is the same as the Mercedes 409, the same as my 409.
906.
906. What's a 409? That's a Peugeot, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's stop pissing about. We'll get this done. There is Volker's van. We fitted a lock on the cab door. It's got a sliding door missing this side. We've fitted a set of locks to the back door, a lock to the back door. Lovely feature this. Keep pressing it every time we walk past it. We've done his side door. There you go. There's the lock. So very unintrusive. You can't see it. This is all you see on the outside. The nice deterrent, the Locks4Vans logo on there. And we've also put it on the cab door as well. And again, very unintrusive. That is the receiver on that side. Really nice. And this is the little door release mechanism. Probably showed you that already as well. This is the first time I've ever been in another man's bed, or in bed with another man. Come on, Volker, join me.
Yeah.
So Volker is going to do the honours. He's going to show you how this works. And one of the main concerns in Germany and other parts of Europe is that if you are locked inside your vehicle and you've got deadlocks, you must have some means of escape. And this thumb lock does that for you. So this makes this compliant with German standards.
With German law.
With German law, so
Yes,
there you go.
it's actually German law.
Right. So do you want to show people how it works? It's dead simple.
This locks it.
Yeah.
And this unlocks it. That's basically it. So there's no hidden magic to it. The magic is all inside here.
Yeah. That's it. It's a brilliant, simple product that's been well engineered, well designed, and well executed, isn't it?
Yes.
So, and we'll be honest with you, the guys that we've been talking to at Locks4Vans have helped us out no end, and obviously the information we're sending back to them has helped them out as well, hasn't it?
Yes.
That's it. There's not a lot to show you. It is a very simple design. It is a very complete product. It's fantastic. It is really, really good.
Over and beyond this thing here. So
yeah, I didn't get that because the camera wasn't on it.
This is over and above what this pin here does is it protects the door from being open from the outside. It gives it some flex. And but this is the product of choice.
And this is the lock on the side loading door, and it's that simple. It's a really nice, smooth operation. And I've got to say, I'm proud to have been part of this project. It's been great working alongside the guys from Locks4Vans, and Jordan in particular has been a great help. Any trouble we've had, Volker's been able to contact him, and I'll tell you now, he's still working 8 o'clock at night. He's dedicated to what we're doing here. He's dedicated to supporting us. He's made us prototypes. He's sent them through the post overnight. They've arrived the next day, not delaying us, allowed us to get on with other things, and we've managed to install this system that is absolutely brilliant. It's been a pleasure working with them. It's been a pleasure working with Volker, and it was Volker's fault all this happened. He volunteered me for this, so without him, none of this would have been possible. But it's been good, hasn't it? It's been hard. It's been emotional.
It's been emotional at times, yes.
Yeah, but we've got there in the end. And I tell you what, if you're thinking of adding one security device to your van, device, not device, one security device to your van, this is it. The Habilock is absolutely brilliant.
Yes, it is. And I'm proud to have been involved in this project. And thanks to Locks4Vans for making all of this possible. And thanks again to Jordan for all of his assistance and help. Greatly appreciated.
It's been good, hasn't it?
Yes, it has.
I said to him, I need more people like you in my life, because the job I do, I'm used to a lot of people saying, no, they can't do that, we can't do that. We never heard that from Jordan. It was, yes, no problem, we'll sort that out. We'll do this, we'll sort that out.
Yeah.
Not a problem. Send us the dimensions and we'll get it made.
We actually still have a trouble with the sliding door where the cable is too long. And Jordan has already made up new cables and new adapters and everything else for me to drop by at their place of business. And he's going to exchange those and make it work. So, kudos to everything they're doing at Locks4Vans. It's a great company.
Yeah, fantastic company. So if you've got any questions for me or Volker, I'll leave Volker's link down there. I'll put his contact details there. You can drop a link. You can drop a question in our comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as we possibly can. But 10 out of 10. I enjoyed this bit of kit. I enjoyed installing it, and it works a treat.
And the weather has been playing along.
Yeah. It's all been on side, hasn't it? It's all been on side.
Yes, that helps.
We filmed all that a year ago. We've been running around with the system on, showing it off to everybody. Anybody that asks any questions about it, we've showed them how it works, and we know that a couple of people have gone off and bought this system off the back of that. It is a brilliant idea, so simple, but it's so reassuring. At night, when you pull that lever or you twist the locks, you know that you're in there and you're safe and sound and nobody's getting in. It's just another level of security, and I've said it before, you build your security in layers. So we've got the manufacturer's alarm and immobiliser, we've got our tracker, we've got our CCTV, and now we've got our deadlocks. We're confident we can park that anywhere, and we're coming back to it and it'll still be there. And at night time, no one is going to break into our van, for sure. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'm off to do a little bit of maintenance now. Got some graphite lubricant, and this is what they recommend at Locks4Vans that you use, because oil-based stuff just attracts dirt and grime and grease, and these high security locks don't like that. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you again. Why not head over to our website, thecraftyblinders.co.uk, where you can find out a little bit more about us and the offers we have on. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok to keep up to date with what we're up to.